Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Pratibha, now I can hear. You can hear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The previous, actually, you had an audio problem. So you continue
Yes.
from where? We will conduct another class for you. No problem. So for the
Okay,
time
sir.
being, we were doing that, we were doing this one. So, Pratibha, if you in case, hey, ma'am, Priyanka, ma'am, Pratibha to or audio problem chile, tu khani, what बोले जाऊँ? क्योंकि ये ऊपर है प्रियंका?
Yes, sir.
উপরেটা করবে না নিচে পেজটা থেকে তুমি এখান থেকে রাইট স্টার্ট করবে এই যে আই ওয়েন্ট টু দ্য মার্কেট থেকে স্টার্ট করবে না আগের পেজটা দেখাবো
The screen share to বন্ধ।
ও আচ্ছা আমি স্ক্রিন সরি আমি স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করে দিচ্ছি Yeah, now you can see. Hello? Screen share?
Hello?
You can see the screen share?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I think I've opened the wrong one, but still you can see that. That was see. Yeah, this one. Yeah, now you can see. Okay. So what I was saying is whether you want this screen or you will directly explain to Pratibha from here. A sentence. From here you can explain this sentence.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Pratibha, can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Ever, whatever Priyanka is telling you, you listen. Ever Priyanka explain what we were doing. Other lesson you could not hear. So come. Yeah, Priyanka, start.
I went, sir.
Yeah, tell her. At least she actually our audio was off, so she did not hear anything. She doesn't know anything. Why we are dividing? So actually, that meaningful part you have to say. Okay, 1 minute. I'll show you the full sentence. Acha. Yeah, there's a full sentence. Yeah, Pratibha, see the sentence. This
Yes,
one.
sir.
Pratibha, yeah, see this sentence.
Yes, sir.
So this is a long sentence. Now Priyanka will tell you how we are dividing and why we are dividing. Okay.
So, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear. Pratibha
Yes.
can hear? Ask Pratibha. Actually, it's for her.
Yes, yes, I hear you.
Okay.
Okay. So, the first thing is this is a long sentence, okay? So, generally, we used to take pauses to the meaningful groups of words, like the group is I went. Can you see that?
I
In the
went.
sentence, I went. Okay, so can you tell me where will you take the next pause in the sentence?
I went to the market
Yes, then
to buy fruits
then
Yeah.
my son,
for my son. Yes, then
who is down with viral fever.
yes. So here you already said everything. So we used to take little pauses here, but we won't take a long pause যাতে বোঝা যায় যে সেন্টেন্সটায় ফুল স্টপ নেই কিন্তু ওকে এখানে আমরা শর্ট পজেস নিচ্ছি যেটা একটা লং তাই জন্য আমরা ধীরে ধীরে বলছি এবং আমরা দেখছি যে কোথায় কোথায় পজ নেওয়া যায় এবং পজগুলো আমরা সেখানেই নিচ্ছি যেখানে মিনিংফুল গ্রুপ অফ ওয়ার্ডস আছে ওকে
Yes.
So here
এবার
I've
ক্যান ইউ
shown
রিড
you.
দ্য হোল সেন্টেন্স
See here I've shown you. I can pause this one. Now you Pratibha for the time being a single slash or double dash ke bole jao ota short pause and long pause jeta optional pause recommended pause you just have the normal pause and say have equal pause.
Sir, I say
Yes,
tumi
sir.
to bolbe.
I went to the market to buy fruits for my son who is down with viral fever.
Who is down actually with viral fever. Okay, so Devjit is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the same way you have to read these sentences and alternately you will read one and Pratibha will read one. So like first one you will read and the second one Pratibha will read and slash is shown. where you have to pause. Start.
I am reading. Sorry.
Yeah, first read the full sentence in mind, then you say with pauses. And don't stop. I am reading. Ekdam theme jabe na. You are putting a full stop. It continues. Yeah.
I am reading. Sorry. Actually, I don't. Interesting. Okay. I am reading an interesting English novel.
I'm
My
reading.
friend has come back.
It was I'm reading an interesting English novel. Okay. My friend has come back. Perfect. Next. Third. Devji.
Dogs are faithful animals.
Yeah, because there's actually no need for any pause, so we are not divided. If you want, you can say dogs are faithful animals. Okay. Next. Pratibha.
Would you like some tea, please?
Would you like some tea, please? Tea, comma থাকবে না একটু pause দেবে. Would you like some tea, please? Okay, next.
Rome was not built in a day.
In a day, don't turn back and full stop. Rome wasn't built in a day. ওটা যেটা আমরা রাইজিং টোন ফলিং টোন করেছিলাম এই আবার এটা করতে গিয়ে টোনটা গন্ডগোল হয়ে গেছে. There is a full stop. This is not a question. So Rome wasn't built in a day. এটা question mark হয়ে যাবে. Rome wasn't built in a day. Yeah.
Things have now become very costly.
Costly, yeah.
Very costly.
Very costly, huh? Yeah.
Where have you kept my umbrella?
Kept it too. I am Priyanka. Kept it pronunciation.
Where have you kept my umbrella?
Where have you kept my umbrella?
Very good.
Yes.
Then Pratibha.
Many persons were killed in the train accident.
No, that's many persons. Okay.
Persons.
Many
Persons.
persons.
Were killed in the train accident.
Many persons were killed in a train accident.
Many persons were killed in the train accident.
Okay. Next.
We are going to Singapore by evening flight.
Good. Much improved. Then Pratibha. Graham Bell it is. Graham Bell, yeah. Name of the person, Graham Bell, Alexander Graham Bell. Pratibha, you have a problem?
No, sir.
Then read.
Graham Bell invented the telephone.
Graham Bell invented the telephone. Graham Bell invented the
Graham
telephone.
Bell invented the telephone. Graham Bell invented the telephone.
এটা অনেকটা প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে. হ্যাঁ, okay. Next, Devjit.
The radio was invented by Marconi.
The radio was invented. No, sorry. Yeah, the radio was invented by Marconi. Yeah.
The radio was invented by Marconi.
Then. Next.
The elephant is the largest land animal. The elephant is the largest land animal.
Perfect. No problem. Pratibha, your mother tongue is Hindi or Bengali?
Hindi.
You can a tough problem. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, we can understand from there. Then
he has been waiting here since morning.
We have been waiting here since morning. Actually, next lesson, which one to elongate? Since morning, morning anyway, that will come in a higher lesson. Anyway, then we have been waiting here since morning.
He has been waiting here since morning.
No, you emphasize the has thing. He
He
has
has
been
been.
waiting here
Uh-huh.
since
He
morning.
has been. He has been waiting here since morning. Actually, when you see some words are in italics. Acha, do you see Pratibha and Devjit? Some words are in italics. Pratibha,
Yes, sir.
you see this one. He has been waiting here since the morning. Did you get that sentence? Where it is?
He has been waiting here since morning.
এবার দেখো ওর মধ্যে some of them are in italics দেখতে পাচ্ছ? Some words are in italics. This one.
Yes, sir.
You know the meaning of italics, no? Italics print. You know the meaning of italics, Pratibha? Italics का माने जानता है ना, प्रतिभा? नहीं जानता है? अच्छा ठीक है, बाद में तुमको अंडरलाइन करके भेज देगा. So what is actually in italics should not be stressed. Like since morning, since morning, since that माने it should receive a very low degree of emphasis. Okay, you read, you continue, and then we'll do it in the next class. Okay, that's it.
India.
won the
Okay, Pratibha, yeah, same.
India won the World Cup first under Kapil Dev and then under Dhoni.
First under Kapil Dev and then under Dhoni. देखो बोला, first under Kapil Dev and then under Dhoni. Read it.
First under Kapil Dev and then under Dhoni.
Exactly. Then
Milk is one of the best natural acids.
Oh, see, the pause
milk
is
is a
after
for
milk.
a nahi, is a for a pause nahi. Wrong pause you're giving.
You have to stop after milk.
Milk
Milk
is one of the best.
natural antacids.
Okay. Milk is on the best
Natural antacids.
Natural
Can you hear me?
antacids. You have a problem? Did you have a problem with audio?
ठीक है सर.
She's saying natural antacids. Milk, then pause, is one of the best, pause, natural antacids.
Okay. Milk is the sorry.
আসতে বলো, don't confuse, মানে তাড়াহুড়ো করলে কনফিউশন হচ্ছে. যত তাড়াহুড়ো করবে কনফিউজ, তাড়াহুড়ো কিছু নেই, আরামে বলা.
Milk
is
milk
one of the
is
best natural.
one of the best natural antacids.
স্পিডটাকে স্লো করে দাও, আরো বলো. Milk is one of the best natural antacids. স্পিডটাকে যত পারবে কমাও. You don't have to go fast. Yeah, Pratibha, next one.
London is the capital of the United Kingdom.
Very good, excellent. প্রিয়াঙ্কা দেখছো কত ইমপ্রুভমেন্ট তুমি থাকলে, বুঝতে পারছো? জিনিয়াস, থ্যাঙ্কস. Yeah, next. Devji, you're going somewhere? Yeah, Devji. Next one.
His audio is muted, sir.
His audio is muted, why? I did not mute his audio.
That I don't know.
Yeah. Now you can hear Devji?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next
Yes,
one.
sir.
She was saying natural antacids. Okay. Okay, next one.
Yes, sir.
The tree. London. No, next one. The tree.
No, the train.
The train is running 2 hours late.
Hours, not hours. Hours. H is silent. Hours. 2
Hours.
hours late. The train is running 2 hours late. ইসটা খুব হালকা করে বলি, ইসটা এমফাসাইজ হবে না, ওই জন্য ইটালিক্স করা আছে. বাট প্রতিবার জন্য আমি আবার ওই change it back into Word file, or if I have a Word file, instead of italics, I'll underline it, or I'll make it a color or something like that. Then, okay, this is the second lesson. Then, how to break. The first one was tone. The second one, the tone. Pratibha did not do it. We were doing the tones actually. You can see. You can see now, or you can't see. Yeah, Mamita, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can.
So that what we that just have the with Pratibha particularly, she did not have that rising tone and falling tone. So at least 4 or 5 sentences for rising tone and falling tone, and you and Priyanka will manage.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. Can I start?
Sir, may I or Priyanka?
Anyone? Amar
Okay.
Priyanka can actually see how you are teaching. Mane Priyanka तुम्हार तो ये assessment करते हो करो ना तुम्हें करो ममता करो.
There is two types of tone. There is a rising and falling.
Yes.
And how I can use this tone. So please tell any sentence. May I have a look at it? Okay, and then I can correct it. Please say the sentences. May I have a look at it?
May I have a ma'am? May I have a look at it?
No, not in this tone. Just will be in rising tone. May I have a look at it?
May I have a look at it?
May I have a look at
Okay,
it?
so did you understand what is rising tone and what is falling tone?
Pratibha, Priyanka is talking to Pratibha.
Did you understand what is rising tone and what is falling tone? Is it clear to you?
Pratibha,
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanka is talking to you, huh?
Is it clear or
Or
we need to say it again?
Priyanka will explain
Anything.
again. प्रॉब्लम थकले होने से बोलो प्रियंका फिर से और एक बार एक्सप्लेन करेगा if you have a problem.
Do you have a problem in understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
You
एक
want
बार फिर से बोलूं?
एक बार फिर से बोलो.
हाँ. Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा तो राइजिंग टोन मतलब वो है कि हम बात करते वक्त अगर एक सेंटेंस फ्लैट में बोले तो वो सुनने में अच्छा नहीं लगती है, ठीक है? तो अगर वो जो एक सोचो कि हम लोग एक क्वेश्चन मार्क है वो सेंटेंस को बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है? तो राइजिंग टोन मतलब ये है कि हम लोग जब एक सेंटेंस को बोल रहे हैं तो वो जो हमारा पिच है, पिच मतलब जिस टोन में हम बात कर रहे हैं ये हमारा नॉर्मल टोन है और आप जो टोन में बात कर रहे हो वो आपका नॉर्मल टोन है, ठीक है? जब राइजिंग टोन की बारी आती है तो आपका जो पिच है वॉइस का वो टाइम के साथ थोड़ा ऊपर जाता है, थोड़ा राइज करता है, ठीक है? मतलब मैं समझो बोल रही हूँ कि राइजिंग इंटोनेशन, अगर मैं इसे राइज करूँ तो इट विल बी राइजिंग इंटोनेशन. कैन यू फील द डिफरेंस? आपको डिफरेंस पता चल रही है कि राइजिंग टोन कौन सा है?
Yes, ma'am.
I think you show
तो आप
one or two
समझो.
examples. एक example.
Okay. So here is a sentence. May I have a look at it? So it's just a flat sentence, okay? So if I tell this in a rising tone, it should be May I have a look at it? आपको डिफरेंस पता चला दोनों में? पहली बार मैंने फ्लैट सेंटेंस बोला कि May I have a look at it. दूसरी बार मैंने जब कहा कि मैंने बोला May I have a look at it, आपको आपका जो टोन है वो चेंज हो रहा है, आपको पता चल रहा है?
May I have a look at it?
May I have a look at it? आप पूछ रहे हो कुछ, ठीक है? तो may पे जोर डालिए. May I have a look at it?
Okay. May I have a look at it?
नहीं, पॉज नहीं है. May I have a look at it?
May I have a look at it?
Much better.
हाँ. तो उसके बाद देखिए जो आता है फॉलिंग टोन. मैंने आपको सिखाया मैंने कि नॉर्मल टोन आप जिस टोन में बात करते हो तो फॉलिंग टोन है जब हम बात करते हैं वो जो आपका टोन है वो थोड़ा सा लो होता है, ठीक है। अगर हम नॉर्मल बोलते हैं कि हैव इट विद प्लेजर, इट वोंट साउंड गुड, ओके। अगर हम बोले हैव इट विद प्लेजर, सुनने में थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगता है ना। हाँ, तो आप फिर
Have
से
it,
बोलिए उसे।
have it with pleasure.
हाँ, जो पॉज है उसे दिमाग में रखिए, ठीक है।
कॉमा
हैव
कॉमा का
इट
पॉज।
विद
Have
प्लेजर।
it with pleasure.
हाँ,
Have it with
विद
pleasure.
प्लेजर। हाँ, तो फिर से एक बार मे आई बोलिए और फिर से उसका आंसर दीजिए आप खुद, आपको डिफरेंस पता चलेगा। मे आई राइजिंग टोन में और
May I
हैव इट
have
का
a
जो
look at
सेंटेंस,
it?
गुड।
May I have a look at it?
यस एंड देन
Have it with pleasure.
यस।
अरे
आपको डिफरेंस पता चला लोअर टोन और इस टोन में?
Yes, ma'am.
और ये ज्यादा नहीं, 2-3 सेंटेंस पढ़ लो क्विक प्रतिभा।
Yes, yes, sir.
तो और 2-3 सेंटेंस
शॉर्ट
पढ़ लो।
सेंटेंसेस आप पढ़ लो।
Okay, sir.
लेफ्ट
Could you
साइड में
tell me the
क्वेश्चन। हाँ बोलो बोलो।
Could you tell me the way to the taxi stand?
नो, यहाँ पे ना राइजिंग टोन मतलब थोड़ा सा वॉइस आपका जो है वो टाइम के साथ ऊपर जाता है, आपका टोन, ठीक है।
Could you
आप
tell me the
पूरा
way
एक-
to the taxi stand?
टेल
Yes.
टेल।
Could you tell me the way to the taxi stand?
Could you tell me the
Yeah.
way to the taxi stand?
Yes, एक बार और से बोलिए फिर से।
Could you एक मिनट मैम, could you
हाँ,
tell me
ठीक
the way to the taxi stand?
Yes. उसके
ओके,
बाद
यू कैन आल्सो ब्रेक
It
इट
is
लाइक।
just
हाँ बोलो। हाँ
it
बोलो।
is just across the road near the tram depot.
हाँ,
It
तो
is
आपने जो
just
दोनों सेंटेंस बोला, हाँ हाँ, एकदम। तो आपने जो दोनों सेंटेंस बोला ना, आपने देखा कि आपने एक डिफरेंशिएट किया। पहले वाला में आपने क्वेश्चन टोन में पूछा, नेक्स्ट वाले में आपने एक फ्लैट सेंटेंस बोला। आपको पता चला वो डिफरेंस कि आपने बोला?
हाँ यस मैम,
हाँ, तो
सेकंड
बस
वाला थोड़ा
हाँ स्लो बोला ना थोड़ा सा।
हाँ थोड़ा सॉफ्ट, थोड़ा स्लो।
हाँ, तो यही है राइजिंग टोन और फॉलिंग टोन, ठीक है। तो आप 2-3 सेंटेंसेस और बोलिए, आपको पता चलेगा।
प्रतिभा मैम, ऐसे लंबा सेंटेंस रहेगा तो व्हाट यू आर सेइंग यू कैन ब्रेक इट अप। अलग ब्रेक तो बाद में सिखाया था, तुम तो पहले सीख लिया। अभी तो ब्रेक तो अभी सिखाया था, लेकिन तुम तो पहले कर लिया। लाइक could you tell me the way to the taxi stand? अगर लंबा रहेगा ना, you can break it. Okay,
हाँ ब्रेक।
हाँ अब कर लो। नेक्स्ट 2-3 सेंटेंस क्विक।
Could you please tell me the time?
Could you
Would you
please
please tell me the time?
ठीक है। ओके, तो और थोड़ा
It's
राइजिंग करो।
almost 8.
हाँ, फॉलिंग टू राइजिंग को
It's
और थोड़ा
almost
ज्यादा
8.
राइजिंग करो प्रतिभा। जो राइजिंग टोन है और थोड़ा ज्यादा राइजिंग करो, ठीक है। तुम राइजिंग कर रहे हैं और थोड़ा ज्यादा राइजिंग करो। नेक्स्ट वन।
Would you prefer tea or coffee?
हाँ, ये
Would you
राइजिंग
आपने
टोन
टी
prefer
तक
tea
ठीक
or
बोला और
coffee?
कॉफी में फ्लैट हो गया फिर से।
Or coffee?
Would you prefer tea
Would
or
you
coffee?
prefer
टी और कॉफी? यस।
Would you prefer tea or coffee?
उसके बाद
उसका आंसर फॉलिंग टोन।
I would have coffee, please. I would have coffee, please.
नेक्स्ट।
How
अच्छा, ये
long?
जो लंबा सेंटेंस है ना, आप इसको ब्रेक भी कर सकते हो। आपके दिमाग में आप ब्रेक्स लगा लो कि कहाँ पे आप पॉज करोगे, कहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा रुकना चाहिए, तो आप अच्छे से बोल पाओगे।
How long would you take to reach here, Sam?
नहीं, आप
How long
How
would you
long would
take
you
to
take?
reach here, Sam?
हाँ, ये अच्छा है थोड़ा सा।
गुड।
उसके बाद बोलिए।
I would there in about 10 minutes at most.
अगर एक तो
I
बी
would there
छूट
in
गया है।
about 10 minutes at most.
हाँ, एक्चुअली वहां पर एक तो BEB होगा। I would be there, अरे I would be there in about 10 minutes at most. मिनट्स का बाद जहाँ कॉमा नहीं है या कॉमा है, माने इट इज सपोज टू बी अ कॉमा, पॉज रहेगा। I would be there in about 10 minutes. In about 10 minutes एक साथ रहेगा। In about 10 minutes ये पूरा एक फ्रेज है। I would be there in about 10 minutes. In about 10 minutes माने it should be together at most. Yeah, one more fast, Pratibha.
When does your vacation start, John?
When does your vacation start, John?
When does your
आपका टोन
vacation
राइजिंग
start,
होना
John?
चाहिए ना।
When does
एक
your
बार फिर से
vacation
बोलिए।
start, John?
Yes, उसके
When
बाद
does your
sentence-
vacation start, John?
हाँ, उसके बाद
It starts next week.
it starts
It starts next week. It starts next week.
हाँ,
Then we did that break wala kiya tha, how to, if it's a long sentence, how to break. That actually you can apply here also. Then this is a vital thing. अगर समझ में आता है तो समझ लो, नहीं तो फिर बाद में थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है। देखो, डिवाइडिंग ए सेंटेंस हो गया। डिफरेंशियल वेटेज क्या है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डिफरेंशियल वेटेज? जैसे एंड द, ऑफ, ये सब जो है ना यहाँ पर, ये सब में ऑलमोस्ट बहुत कम स्ट्रेस लेता है। इसमें कभी नहीं बोलता है अ बॉय, ऐसे नहीं बोलता है अ बॉय, हल्का द बॉय एन आइसक्रीम। तो ये वाला है जो जिसमें छोटा वर्ड है, ये सब एम एट होम नहीं, एट होम। इसको ये एन आइसक्रीम, मेजॉरिटी इन पार्लियामेंट, मेजॉरिटी इन पार्लियामेंट, ऐसे मेजॉरिटी इन पार्लियामेंट, इसको बोलते हैं वेटेज। ओके, वेटेज वी विल डू अनदर डे। आई थिंक इट इज बिकमिंग वेरी हेवी फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, ये जो वेटेज है, इसको थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस कर लेना, हम भेज देता है, यू जस्ट प्रैक्टिस द थिंग, राइट प्रतिभा
Yes, sir.
एंड देवजीत?
Yes, sir.
इसको प्रैक्टिस
Yes, sir.
करना है, एंड प्रियंका विल टेल यू दैट प्रैक्टिस कहाँ करना है, मिरर के सामने।
Okay, sir.
Practice should always be in front of the mirror, and when you have a problem you ask, ये तो फोन में भी पूछ सकता है, गलत प्रैक्टिस मत करो। ये गलत प्रैक्टिस किया तो वही हैबिट हो जाएगा। इफ यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम यू आस्क, बट गलत प्रैक्टिस मत करो, ठीक है? This too I am sending. So ये वाला अच्छा, ये वाला an ice cream cone, majority in parliament, in and on the, ये बहुत मैंने हल्का से बोलना। It's on the table, on the table, on भी हल्का हो गया, the भी हल्का हो गया, on the table, on हल्का, the हल्का, on the table, inside the box, the हल्का, in a short time, in हल्का, a हल्का, in a short time में लगेगा, in a, दोनों हल्का रहेगा। This is actually the differential weightage. We will do it another day. Okay? So thank you all of you. Right? Thank you.
thank you sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
And particularly Priyanka, thank you very much. Momita, thank you. So it's actually
Thank you.
Momita, you have understood?
I did-
माने Priyanka থেকে বুঝে
Yeah,
গেছে
I understood.
how to teach.
How to teach this?
Priyanka is a
I'm just learning right now.
whenever
Okay.
possible you can Priyanka যখন ক্লাস করবে ও করবে। Priyanka তো genius। Actually I don't have to teach Priyanka anything. Priyanka will teach me something. মানে এরকম হয়ে গেছে।
No sir.
ও যে লেভেলে চলে গেছে, আমি আর কি পড়াবো। Okay, so we are ending the meeting,
Okay.
right? Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
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 Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.